Fans of calligraphy are going to enjoy using the calligraphic or calligraphic brushes. And what you can do, especially if you have a pressure-sensitive tablet, such as a Wacom tablet, you can create even more realistic results. So I'm going to show you this by choosing the 7-point round option here and double-clicking. And what I can do is when I double-click, I can set the parameters. So I just wanted to show you what that looks like. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a stroke with this tool on the artboard. Now I'm going to double-click, and first of all, let me move this over. I'll double-click, and I'm going to show you that when I turn on preview, I can change how this brush actually works. So I can change the angle of the brush. I can change the roundness by using these little circles here. And I can really change how this brush looks, especially by changing the angle. And look at the difference up in the artboard. I can change the diameter as well, which is pretty much the thickness of the stroke. And I can change how that stroke is applied, whether the angle is fixed, random, or dealt with via pressure. And the same thing applies to roundness and the pressure here. So I'm going to change all of these. And whenever I choose these options, by the way, you'll notice something interesting here. Let me go ahead and turn those off. The right side options, the variation controls, are turned off because when I put it back on pressure, I can tell Illustrator exactly a variation point that I'm interested in. For example, I can have the angle vary when I apply pressure by 40 degrees or 50 degrees, and the roundness to vary as well based on the pressure that I apply. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and I'm going to accept that. I'm going to draw a new stroke here. I'm going to press very lightly, then I'll press real hard, and I'll press very lightly again. And as you see, because I'm using a Wacom tablet, I'm able to achieve this stroke based on the pressure that I apply, and because in my options I turned on pressure. So it is now looking to how hard I'm pressing down with the stylus on the tablet to create the variation that I asked for here. So using the calligraphy tools is a very nice way to create some very nice brush strokes in your Illustrator artwork.